Close-up of the new Bajaj Chetak with energetic background music. Is the new Bajaj Chetak Electric Scooter finally the perfect EV for daily commuting? Bajaj has introduced exciting upgrades with improved performance, smart features, and a stylish design. In today's video, we'll take a quick look at everything you need to know about the new Bajaj Chetak. Let's get started! Design and build quality. The new Bajaj Chetak continues its premium metal body design, giving it a solid and elegant look. The LED lighting, modern color options, and clean styling make it stand out from other electric scooters. The overall fit and finish remain one of the strongest points of the Chetak. Performance and battery. The scooter comes with an efficient electric motor that delivers smooth acceleration, making city rides comfortable and quiet. The updated battery offers a practical riding range suitable for everyday commuting, while improved charging capabilities help reduce downtime. Features. The new Chetak includes a fully digital display, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation support, call and message alerts, reverse mode, riding modes, keyless features, and OTA software updates. These smart features make the scooter more convenient and user-friendly. Comfort and safety, with comfortable seating, smooth suspension, and a well-balanced chassis. The Chetak provides a pleasant riding experience. It also features reliable braking, regenerative braking technology, and practical underseat storage for daily essentials. Price and competition. The Bajaj Chetak is positioned in the premium electric scooter segment. It competes with popular models like the TVS iQube, Ather Rizta, Ola S1 series, and Honda Activa e-buyers should compare range, features, and after-sales service before making a decision. Conclusion. The new Bajaj Chetak offers a premium design, dependable performance, smart technology, and everyday practicality. If you're looking for a stylish and reliable electric scooter for city commuting, this could be a great option. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automobile updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.